Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dumebi, and today I'm starting off a new series that I've been thinking about for some time now, but I decided that it's time to get it started, and that series is going to be, I'm sorry I had to shift that. I didn't want you guys just looking at my fridge. That series is going to be called Girl Talk with Doom. Now you guys, I'm not yet sure if that's what I want to call it. I don't know if I should call it Girl Talk with Doom, or Girl Talk with Dumebi. You guys know my name is Dumebi, and actually my name has even suffered. Like, a lot of people have remixed my name in so many ways. People have called me Dumebi, people have called me Dubemi, people have called me Doll Baby, but of all the remixes of my name and the short forms of my name, the favorite is Doom, and almost everybody calls me that. So yeah, I decided, okay, this series could be called Girl Talk with Doom. But if you guys feel like Girl Talk with Dumebi is better, please let me know in the comment section. So if you clicked on this video, you are probably, you know, just interested. Maybe you're feeling like a bit like anti-Valentine, and this is an anti-Valentine girl talk. You understand? Like, what's all the fuss about Valentine? You know, before we get into that, I just have to tell you guys, I don't know, like, I had this head warmer. Is this a head warmer? What do we call this? I've had it for a long time and I never wear it, so I decided that instead of it just sitting over there in my closet, I should just do something with it today. I don't know if it looks nice or if it's just a little bit weird, but what I did was, I have this rose, let me show you guys. This is a detachable pin rose hair accessory, and I just used it to pin my hair up, and I hope this is making sense. I don't know if I'm looking ridiculous right now, but well, anyways, I hope this looks good. Okay, so now Valentine is here again. This is Valentine 2020, and I must confess that the buzz and the noise making and like it's just been overwhelming. Like, there's been a lot of people making noise about Valentine. I'm just going to play a clip right now. Yeah, so there have been clips all over, a lot of clips like that one. You know, they've been all over the internet, people talking about Valentine, making memes, people actually going to the studio to record songs about how it's Valentine and you're lonely and you're crying because you don't have a boyfriend and you realize going to spend Valentine alone. And I just feel like there's been so much buzz around this year's Valentine that I don't even understand what's going on. I don't think it was like this previous years. I think social media has contributed to it, because there's TikTok, there's this, people have to create content, so it's always easy for them to create content about around a trending topic, you know, like Valentine. So people are making so much noise, and I think it's actually getting too much. If I was single and had no plans for Valentine, and I saw those videos, saw those memes, watched those songs, believe me, I would feel personally attacked. I'm a very sensitive person. I will feel attacked. Like, I might even straight out just start crying if my situation is that bad. If I'm heartbroken and I'm seeing people making songs, you know, talking about how Valentine is coming and you're alone, where's your boyfriend, blah blah blah. Like, it is I think people need to stop. People need to chill. The funny thing is, I'm actually guilty of it, because I actually I reposted one of those videos, and then like a friend of mine was like, I feel attacked by this video, and I could relate, because I know what it is. Well, I've never really been single during Valentine. I've been a kind of person that has always been in a relationship all through my dating life. So I don't know what it is to be without a boyfriend on Valentine, but I definitely know what it is to, you know, feel heartbroken or feel alone or feel like your relationship is not even working out, or feel like someone you like doesn't like you back. I know what it is to feel alone, so I think I can relate with how some people may be feeling this season, being that probably they don't have Valentine plans, they don't have a date, they don't have a boyfriend, they are not in a relationship, and then there's all this buzz about Valentine. So I can relate with that, and I decided to make a video because videos like this are helpful. Like, there's some things I've passed through in my life, and I went to YouTube and I watched a couple of sit down talk videos, advice videos, and they really helped me. So I decided, okay, someone out there may benefit from this video. So now, what's all the buzz about Valentine really? I realized that there's a lot of noise about Valentine, and I mean, I was on YouTube the other day and I was scrolling and I saw someone like 3 days ago posted a video about the Valentine gift she received, and I'm not talking Valentine gift from previous years. I'm talking this actual Valentine that is going to be on Friday. I'm actually shooting this video on Thursday the 13th, so Valentine is tomorrow, and someone has already dropped a video 3 days ago about the gifts she received on Valentine's Day, or about the Valentine gifts she received. And I'm like, so that means you probably received these gifts maybe a week or even 2 weeks before Valentine, for you to have had enough time to receive the gift, film the video, edit the video. That means you got the gift a while back. I don't know, but for me it doesn't seem realistic that you'll be getting Valentine's gift a week before Valentine. I don't know, I'm not shading anybody or anything, but that just goes to say, like, to further like buttress my point. The point here is that a lot of the things you see on social media about people that are, in quotes, enjoying their lives, having a blast this Valentine, are just make believe. A lot of them are not real, guys. I don't want you seeing people getting ready for Valentine, posting pictures of their bae, posting pictures of their fancy restaurants, talking about their dates, how he was dreaming, their expensive gift that they got for Valentine, and then you start feeling like you're miserable. I'm trying to tell you here that, not to discredit or say that everybody who does this is faking it, but a lot of people are faking these things because nobody wants to feel like their own case is the worst. You understand? So I don't think you should be there like obsessing over what your friend got while you didn't get anything, or obsessing over how their life is better than yours. I feel like a lot of these things, people are faking it. Like, I have a friend, I think her birthday was coming like a few years ago. Her birthday was around the corner, so she started posting, like, I've started receiving birthday gifts. Oh, look at this beautiful top, a friend of mine got me this for my birthday. Before her birthday, she was already posting and making a lot of noise about it, hyping her birthday and everything, which I understand. I mean, we all do it. But when I got to her house, like, I went to pay her a visit, and then I'm like, that top you got was so fine. That person that got you really loves you. That top is really nice. It looks expensive. And she actually told me the truth. She was like, babe, nobody got me that top. I bought it myself with my own money. And I'm like, you bought the top yourself, and then you were posting it all over social media that people were sending you gifts already for your birthday. So who are we really fooling? Do you understand? Who are we fooling? A lot of people do these things on Valentine's Day. A lot of people are going to get cakes for themselves and do this and fake that a boyfriend sent it to them. Like, it's like, a lot of people are faking these things. So I'm not saying everybody who has a gift or who gets taken out on Valentine's Day is faking it. I'm just saying you never know, so why should you feel bad? And again, even if they're not faking it, what if they are in a good relationship right now and it's working out, everything is beautiful, but does it mean that you're not going to be in a good relationship someday? You understand? You may be single this Valentine, you may be lonely this Valentine, you may be heartbroken this Valentine, you may actually even be in a relationship but the person is not there with you at this point in time to celebrate Valentine with you. But that's not a reason to feel miserable. You understand? There are a lot of reasons you could be anti-Valentine. You may be in love with someone who doesn't love you. I've been there, I've done that. You may have had a good relationship and ruined it by one mistake or the other. We are all human. You need to let it go. You understand? You may be in a relationship and the person is not there. Well, love is something that can be celebrated every day. It doesn't have to be Valentine. So if you're not with your lover or your boyfriend or your spouse today, you can be with them some other time and you can celebrate your love every day, every second of the day. It doesn't have to be on Valentine's Day. Whatever you may be passing through that's making you feel like you're alone, you're single, like there's no love in your life or whatever at this period. I'm just trying to tell you that whatever it is, it will pass. I don't know what it is that you're passing through. If it's a case of heartbreak, believe me, it gets better. If it's a case of someone who you love not loving you, honey, like, life doesn't begin and end with one person. There'll be many others who will see you and appreciate you for who you are and treat you well. So Don't feel like your life is over or you can't just stand this Valentine or whatever. Instead, look for a way to keep yourself busy. Look for a way to make the day beautiful. It's about celebrating love. It's not all about a relationship kind of love. You can celebrate love with your family, with your friends. Now, here's my advice for anyone who does not have plans with a significant other for Valentine's Day. Don't sit at home feeling sorry for yourself, honey. Don't. I advise, well, you can stay at home, but don't feel sorry for yourself. Engage yourself. Either you see a very nice movie or watch your favorite TV show or read a novel. I'm telling you guys the things you can do on Valentine's Day to make yourself feel okay, to feel happy. You understand? Look for that favorite TV show or a movie or a good novel. Honey, get a warm glass of milk or something, lay in bed and read that novel and laugh away your sorrows, or a magazine or something. Just engage your mind. Now, I'm not telling you to go read romantic novels or to go watch romantic movies, because you may end up feeling, it may rub you off the wrong way and you still get back to square one of feeling bad this Valentine's season. So try to do something that will engage yourself, that will entertain you, that will get your mind off, feeling lonely this Valentine. Then another option that you can do is go out with friends. Now, I'm not saying you should go out with your friends that are going out with their boyfriends. Don't tag along as a third wheel. Don't go because if you tag along as a third wheel, honey, you will just see them doing like exchanging mushy talks and kisses and hugs, and you will find yourself just regretting why you even went out with them. So I think maybe find a couple of your friends that are single, hang out with them, do something fun, maybe a physical activity. You can go kart riding, you can go see a movie, you can go, what can you do again? Just engage yourself. What's your favorite thing to do? Do that. That's something that will get you out of the house, because when you're busy, when you're active, you won't have time to be thinking of how you're lonely and how you don't have a Valentine and how you don't have love in your life. You will just find out that you're enjoying your day. If you're trying to forget someone this Valentine period, you should very likely not spend it at home, because you will feel it, especially if you already had memories with that person. It's going to keep flooding back. So I advise you engage your mind, go out with other single friends. Now, if you don't have single friends, another thing that I will advise is you should try and share love to people around you. You could go visit an orphanage with gifts. You could go share food to the hungry that are around the streets. Just do something. There are many events that are happening this period that are not all Valentine inclined or for lovers alone. You could go for something like that. It may be a comedy show, it may be a talk show, it may be whatever it is. Just explore, be happy. Don't be at home crying and wondering why your own is different and why everyone is enjoying their Valentine and you're not. If you need to buy yourself a Valentine gift, please do that. Buy yourself. I'm all for self-love. Self-love is the best love. Don't be waiting around for someone who's going to send you a gift. Honey, you need to spoil yourself, and you need to love yourself before someone else will love you. Buy yourself a gift for Valentine. I'm not saying you should buy a gift and then post it on social media that someone sent it to you. I don't believe in faking it. At the end of the day, you're deceiving yourself, and you're probably making someone else feel bad, which is how you got there in the first place. So buy yourself a gift, give yourself a treat, spoil yourself, remind yourself of the love you have in your life, people that love you. It doesn't have to always be a romantic love or a significant other. So try to make yourself happy. Do that thing that makes you happy, your hobbies, just do things to get your mind off of it. And believe me, honey, I think Valentine is overrated. I'm not even going to lie. I think it's overrated. The way people are doing this and carrying on as if it's a do or die affair, I think it's overrated. Love should be celebrated every day. There shouldn't be a particular time frame, like someone will just say, on your mark, set, go, everybody, love, and then everybody is wearing red and walking hand in hand, looking like, I don't know, walking around the street because it's Valentine's Day, and then nobody can hear what they gain. I'm not anti-Valentine, actually. I love love. I think it should be celebrated, and marking a day out to celebrate love is good, because some people actually forget to show love to the people that they love. So having Valentine's Day serves as a reminder to people, like to such people. But love shouldn't be just restricted to Valentine's Day. So I think you guys just be happy this Valentine. You should be happy generally. Whatever you're dealing with emotionally, it will pass. It will pass. Believe me. Like, the human mind is strong enough to withstand anything. You can come out of whatever situation you're in this Valentine. Just try to be happy. Do not ponder, do not feel miserable or sorry for yourself. You will be fine. And Valentine is just one day. It will soon be over. It will be over, and everybody will get back to living their lives the way it is. Guys, I just have to add that Valentine is not that day where, because you're feeling lonely and you just want to go out with someone, or you just want someone to give you a gift, you just want to have someone to spend time with, you're not gonna remember that guy. You know, that guy that has been toasting you since that you don't like, or that guy that you know is stupid or he's an F-boy. You're not gonna remember him and say, okay, maybe I should just hang out with him that day, so at least I'll have someone to hang out with. This is not the time for you to start making terrible decisions that you will regret just because you don't want to be alone on Valentine's Day. This is not a time for you to start giving someone green lights that you know you have no business giving green lights, or hanging out with someone you shouldn't be hanging out with. A lot of people are going to do stupid things in the name of Valentine, stupid things that will come back to haunt them. So do not make that mistake. Do not fall into that trap. Don't go and, just for the sake of having someone to spend Valentine with or receiving gift from someone, you will now go and make a commitment or spend time with someone who does not even deserve your time. Don't go and get pregnant when you're not ready because it's Valentine's Day. Don't be pressured to do something stupid that you know in the long run you're going to regret because it's Valentine's Day. I just had to put this out there. So I think I'm just going to wrap up this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you want to see more girl talk videos, and if you have topics you want me to talk about. I will be so happy to make more of these videos because this is fun. And yeah, be sure to let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Is Valentine overrated? What do you do when you're not in the Valentine mood? Like, how do you keep yourself busy? Let me know in the comment section. And also be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't leave without subscribing if this is your first time here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.